Hi, I'm Darren from Extra Tech. Today we're doing a video on two of our products, our alarm cable lock and our ANKA-U in-floor anchor for security of mobile equipment, anything that's you need to chain down. So we'll start with our ANKA-U. The ANKA-U, we've got one here installed in our driveway. Now this could be used for securing your motorcycle, your trailer, boat, caravan. It can be installed in carports, garages. You can put them in your front yard, your backyard, in a block of concrete like this, in a DIY situation for chaining up your boat out the front of your house. You can mow over the top of it because it's flush. And just to show you, it's got a 50mm aperture. You just, when you're installing it, you put some duct tape over the top, you concrete it in the ground, rip your duct tape off, job done. And we'll take a good size heavy duty chain, as you see, slips through like so. It'll take our alarm cable lock. It's very secure bit of gear. So now we'll move on to our alarm cable lock. It's 1.5 metres long, 25mm diameter with heavy duty plastic coating. 96 decibels when sounding. It's a great product. Simply lock it. Now that's just locked. That's not set, even though it beeped then. To set it, you then press the red button. So that's now set. If somebody goes to attack it, the alarm will go. Open the key, and that shuts down the alarm. So, thanks for watching.